The BobGo rule engine is a powerful tool that enables users to streamline and automate their order and fulfillment processes based on a set of predefined rules. Let's look at a few scenarios of what the rule engine can do. In this scenario, I would like to set a custom parcel size for orders over a certain weight. I select my rule trigger and set my conditions. So if the order total weight is greater than, say, 1 kg, then I want to set a custom parcel size of 15 centimeters by 5 centimeters by 5 centimeters with a weight of 2 kgs. If an order is then created with a total weight of more than 1 kg, this should match my rule and the specified parcel size will be applied. In this scenario, I would like orders to have the same number of parcels as the number of items in the order. I select my rule trigger and set my conditions. So if my order quantity is equal to 2, then a second parcel should be set to this order. This rule can be recreated to accommodate all order quantities. If an order is then created with 2 items, then a second parcel will be added to the order. This rule would work well in cases where only one item can fit into one parcel, such as shoeboxes. In this scenario, I would like to add a declared value, or liability cover, to orders with a total value over a certain amount. I select my rule trigger and set my conditions. If my order value is, for example, greater than or equal to 750 Rand, I would like to set a declared value to these orders to the value of the order. If an order is then created where the value of the order is 750 Rand or more, then a declared value matching the total order value should be added to the order. In this scenario, I would like to add delivery instructions to certain items. I select my rule trigger and set my conditions. If an item in my order contains a specific value in the SKU, then a delivery note will be applied. So if an order is created that contains an item with A, B, C, D, E in the SKU, then a delivery note stating "handle with care" will be added. This is an ideal solution if you sell fragile or special items that require very specific delivery instructions. In this scenario, I would like to add tags to a shipment after fulfilling a specific order. I select my rule trigger and set my conditions. If an order has Pretoria in the delivery address, I would like to add a specific shipping tag. Once I have fulfilled an order that has Pretoria in the delivery address, then the shipping tag Local Pretoria will be assigned to that shipment. Some important points to remember is that there are no limitations in the number of conditions that can be set per rule. There can always be only one action applied to each rule. Finally, remember to make use of the drag and drop functionality and that rules are executed from top to bottom. If you need any assistance in using the rule engine, please contact our support team on 012 940 1060 or send an email to support@bobgo.co.za.